Hey, my name is Umar. Welcome back. So, you don't want your password picked? Well, I got you covered. Not only that, I'll show you how to implement a hide and show password feature using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Ready? Let's roll. First up, the index.html. Here's the setup. A div with a class container because HTML devs love containers. An input of type password with an ID password, and finally the image tag. This little hero is here to serve as the I button. This button's job, it toggles whether to hide or show your password, and give it an on-click attribute to call function toggle icon, which will make later using JavaScript. Oh, don't forget to link your CSS and JavaScript files here, else you'll be debugging at 3 a.m. with a look on your face like this. But hey, we don't want our UI to be looking very ugly like this. Let's make it look pretty with CSS. Paste in this random CSS reset, which is, by the way, very important. And for the body styling, height 100 BH and display of flex to center everything because we don't want misaligned content, and some nice looking background color. And for the password container, display of flex again for alignment with 320 pixels, background white, and some padding for a little bit of space to breathe. Now let's get into JavaScript where we add functionality to our code. Grab your password input and toggle icon by their IDs because we need to tell them what to do. Create the toggle icon function we hyped earlier. Now here's the deal. When someone clicks the I button, the function checks if the password input type is password. If it is, then change the password type equal to text. Else, change it to password back again. And for the icon, update it to match what it's doing. And that's it. You have a hide and show password feature that's slick, functional, and works like charm.